Hi, my name's Sava, Technical Director of CallU UK, and today I'm going to be talking to you about what is an internal air conditioning system and why you need one. Air conditioning itself has been around for many years, and we're all familiar with conventional air conditioning systems, the type that you may see on holiday whilst in Spain or Greece with the ugly boxes outside. Unfortunately, in London apartments, new builds or listed, there are a number of constraints which will not allow you to either make penetrations to outside or physically have an external box. Our solution is a no compromise full air conditioning solution, but it means you can have it fully internal within your apartment without the need to either penetrate through the wall or physically put something on the outside. For a typical apartment air conditioning solution, the way this works is you have a wall mounted unit in the room to be cooled, which is connected to a condenser which is located in a concealed location in either a utility space, boiler space, or another creative part of your apartment. The two components are connected with refrigeration pipework, and this can be concealed either in cavity walls or over the ceiling, so you will neither see anything or have to do any making good after. The system works via a conventional refrigeration cycle. So, as supercooled refrigerant gas flows into the room wall-mounted unit, warm air from the room passes over that coil and the air in that room is chilled. That heat is then transferred via the refrigerant circuit back to the concealed condenser, and that's where the water is used to remove the heat from the system. The benefit of such a system is the fact that you can have a full, no compromise air conditioning solution, removing the heat and cooling the room exactly the same way as a conventional system would. However, nothing on the outside and a small box which takes up very little space within your apartment. If you've got any questions at all about what I've said or air conditioning your apartment, then give us a call on the number on the screen or visit our website. Thank you.